Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making soft, fluffy pancakes from scratch, and trust me, it's super easy. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a splash of vanilla extract, totally optional but delicious. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, mix the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla. Then slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry and stir it up. Don't overmix. A few lumps are totally okay. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a little butter or oil. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. When bubbles start forming on top and the edges look set, flip it. Golden brown and fluffy, just the way we like it. Serve your pancakes hot with syrup, butter, fresh fruit, or even whipped cream. Whatever you love. These are perfect. If you liked this recipe, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know your favorite pancake topping in the comments.